The midnight musings of a refrigerator light. It was the glimmer-dimsy hour. The humble fridge stood still in power. Its beacon burned so soft and white, a lonely glow against the night. Beware the snackerin', my friend, the munching maw, the midnight bend. Beware this creeping slobber chew that snaffles up the leftover stew. The light, it waits in frozen halls, when shadowed milk cart phantoms sprawl. Its silent beam both crisp and clear, yet no one comes to linger near. The ketchup bane stood proud and red, while pickle pods lay limp like lead. A young slump tub, forgotten there, did sigh beneath the frigid air. The bottle nogs with glassy eyes reflect its watchful, wistful guise, while crisper clads in leafy graves resign themselves to frosty waves. No hand disturbs the glowing beam, no eyes to glimpse its steady beam. It hums and waits, so cold, so bright, a prisoner bound in endless night. Yet still it dreams of bustling days, of flicking doors and warming rays. A burst of chatter, hands held tight, and laughter bathed in golden light. But lo, the fridge is hushed and bare. The midnight chill, the empty air, it turns, it waits, its purpose clear, yet none to see and none to hear. The jolly glob, once firm and spry, now quivering sits with sullen sigh. The cheesy block, in moldy dread, has seen its golden glory shed. The light, though trapped, still holds its grace, a silent guardian in this place, a glimmer midst the frozen gloom, a tiny sun within a tomb. Oh, when shall hands once more return to twist, to grab, to fetch, to churn? Or shall it shine through endless days, alone and chill, in frosted haze? And so it waits in silent dread, while dreams of day dance through its head. Alone it beams, so small, so bright, the sleepless heart that guards the night.